Audio recording for transcription. Emergency operations manual, first entry. Countermeasure approach for fence incursion. High pop of undead, good 40, 50 deep to the former fence. Note to accompany schematics for audio glider emergency binder. Audio glider activated for sound, utilizing music as 96 decibel redirection. Drawn active deceased along with it away from all exits, allowing immediate free passage. Permanent redirection if successful. Scratch the if. When. When successful, hell yes.
Don't turn around.
I'm here. I'm ready.
South lookout. Ready for go.
East lookout ready.
North lookout ready.
West lookout ready.
Get up. Back away from that thing. Back away from it.
I'm attempting to save people, Dwight. And killing me is killing a great many innocents. When this bird slips its early bounce, it's gonna Pied Piper away the cold corpses and free this place.
And Negan will kill Rick, and Daryl, and Rosita, and all your old friends.
They're former traveling companions, nothing more.
I'm working with them to keep them and the people here alive. We can get rid of Negan. Just Negan. We're almost there.
Negan ain't the dying type, Dwight.
Oh, but you are, Eugene.
I am. That's exactly why I have not yet stepped back, as it were. By my reckoning, I have two selects on facing my fate. One, I abort launch on this glider. Don't free this place from the stranglehold of cold teeth/tongues, and Negan will likely execute me as what he considers to be a personal favor. Or I could go for what's behind door number 2. Take my chances being shot in the back by a sometime ally despite any injury I may have caused in the past. By delivering a chomp down on your chode. Daryl, you're clear to the south.
You and Tara should head home.